All right, let's talk about something that can literally change your entire financial life. It's not some complicated strategy or a boring budget. It's just one single powerful rule, a complete shift in how you think about your money starting the second you get paid. Let's dive right in.
Does this sound familiar? You look at your bank account near the end of the month and you just have to ask, where did it all go? You know you got paid, but the numbers just don't add up. If you've ever felt that, trust me, you are not alone. This is where the story begins for pretty much all of us.
You know that feeling, right? That little buzz from your phone. Salary credited. Yes! For a split second, you feel on top of the world. But then, almost as fast as it came, oof. It's like it evaporates. A couple of bills here, a few online orders there, maybe a dinner out with friends, and suddenly you're looking at a balance that's way lower than you thought it would be. It's this incredibly frustrating cycle that just seems to repeat itself month after month. And here's the crazy part. This happens to everyone. It doesn't matter if you're making a little or a lot. It's this financial hamster wheel, and it feels impossible to get off, no matter how fast you run or how much your paycheck grows. We've all told ourselves this lie, haven't we? Oh, if I just get that next promotion, that next raise, then everything will be fine. All my money problems will just disappear. It's a nice thought, but you know what? It's a total myth. Here's what really happens. It's called lifestyle inflation. Your income goes up, and like magic, your expenses rise right up to meet it. Suddenly, you're thinking about a nicer apartment, a better car, more expensive restaurants. The goalposts just keep shifting further and further away. Eventually, you just hit a wall. You have this painful moment of clarity where you realize that earning more money isn't actually solving the problem. The problem isn't the amount. The real problem is the process. And this is the light bulb moment. The big secret is not about the size of your paycheck. It is 100% about the very first decision you make the moment that money hits your account. So what's the fix? Well, the good news is it's not some ridiculously complicated financial plan that you need a degree to understand. It's actually a really simple, almost elegant rule that just flips the whole script. Seriously, forget about painful budgeting and spreadsheets that make your eyes glaze over. This isn't about deprivation. The solution is just one powerful, life-changing habit. That's it. That's the whole thing. 3 little words. Pay yourself first. Just let that sink in for a second. It sounds so simple, but it is a complete game changer. So what do we actually mean by that? It means that the most important bill you pay every single month is the one you pay to your future self. Before you pay your rent, before you buy groceries, before a single rupee goes to anything else, you move a chunk of money to your savings or your investments. You are prioritizing yourself. Okay, look at this. This shows you the massive mindset shift perfectly. Most of us are stuck in the trap on the left. We earn money, we spend it on everything else, and then we hope to save whatever's left over, which, let's be honest, is usually zero. But the freedom model on the right flips it. You earn, you immediately save, and then you're free to spend whatever is left over. You make the most important choice first, automatically. So what's a good number to start with? A fantastic goal is somewhere between 10 to 20% of whatever you take home. The second your salary lands, that amount gets whisked away. No debating, no second guessing. You treat it like any other bill that has to be paid. Let's just walk through it. It's a simple 3-step dance. Step 1, you get paid. Awesome. Step 2, you immediately, and I mean immediately, pay yourself. You move that 10 or 20% into a totally separate account. This part is key. It has to be out of sight, out of mind. And then step 3, you live your life and pay all your other bills with what's left. That's it. But maybe you're thinking, whoa, 10% sounds like a lot right now. And that's totally okay. The most important thing here isn't the number, it's the habit. If you can only start with 5% or even just 1,000 rupees, do it. The real power comes from doing it consistently, every single time you get paid. This is why we do it. The real prize here isn't just a bigger number in your bank account. It's the feeling you get. It's breaking that stressful paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's the incredible feeling of being in control of your money, not the other way around. That gives you confidence. And you know what that leads to? Peace of mind. That, right there, is real freedom. This really gets to the core of it all. We think money is just for buying stuff, but the true power of having savings, of having a financial cushion, is that it buys you something you can't put a price on. Peace of mind. It buys you options. It quiets that constant background noise of financial stress.
So from this day forward, I want you to make this your new mantra. Before you tap that button to order food, before that automatic EMI payment goes out, before you even think about adding something to your online shopping cart, just pause for 1 second and ask yourself, wait, have I paid myself first?
And that's really what I want to leave you with. This isn't just a cool idea, it's a decision you have to make. So the next time that little notification pops up on your phone telling you you've been paid, what's going to be your very first move? Are you going to pay yourself first? Because the day you start doing that, I promise you, is the day your financial future truly begins.